You practicing for when Lady Saw come for you?
No, me not for practice when Lady Saw come for me. I do this a long time before Lady Saw.
So you know she's coming for you.
No, that's all right.
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.
She can't come under nothing. When she do that, she also generate more money in my pocket. So that will be a good thing.
More money for me to get?
Yes. More money so me can give me, and then me can step up and buy the Range Rover when me a dream for. And just make my son continue drive the Nissan and just get myself the Range Rover. More money for me.
More money for cash.
No, I'm a baby. I'm a baby.
More money for cash.
Never asked me for coming out of the world. I'm bring her out of the world. So the thing she want me, I'm happy to give her. I'm a gear. I'm a baby.
Stop going on people's live now.
Me tap up her live long time.
That's what you say. That's what you say. But you don't do it. That's what you say.
Me never put no live. Me not go put nobody live. Tap up her live. Anybody will come for them live. Me not doing it. Stop the lives.
Make sure.
No, you have to stop up her live. I had her live in me right now.
Because I was trying to see if you blocked me, why I couldn't see the why you couldn't see the live.
I don't know why you couldn't see the live.
Why should somebody teach you how to block me?
No, me not for black people, but me not black people.
But why you give yourself so much trouble and want to block people? People that give themselves trouble should not be blocking anybody.
You know what me forgive trouble?
On people's live.
Me not have to give trouble. That's have fun. And people just want to take it to another level. That's just fun. To pass the COVID away.
What do you call fun?
Fun. Like what we have. Have fun.
Me and you ain't having no fun. You too old for me and you to have fun.
Me old age and not but a number.
Yeah.
That's what I like old. Not the 0 or the 6.
You so lame.
What lame about that? This is how now young people don't know nothing about.
You so lame. You're very lame.
What's lame about that?
Wait till Lady Saw come for you.
That's all right. More time to come and more money she go generate in my pocket.
Alright, wait till Lady Saw.
It's like what? One eat, she not come for me, she go after the people with the eats.
No, she touching you too, I promise you, because you caused this on her.
No, she like this song about me and call me name, but she not come for me, trust me.
She coming for you.
Alright, make us do.
She coming for you, she's coming for Eeyore, she's coming for Spice.
She know me not the money. She know me not the money, so she not come out for the broke one.
But the broke one give the most problem.
She know that long time, so me not have the same energy. So
you have the same what?
Me not have the same loud energy. And she get trouble too. It's so much how we edge she lick off. She come at me with the M16, but she never knows me this steady with the matic catch up her head back.
You what?
Me this steady with the matic catch up her head back.
No, you didn't do nothing. But try to tell everybody else's business because they was afraid to tell their own business. So they call you to tell tell their business because they're afraid.
Who for business me tell?
Everybody you was defending in the war. Whatever the war that was.
Me did I defend nobody?
Well, so what were you doing? You just started picking on the lady?
Because the lady know why me pick on her.
So you just got up and pick on the lady.
While I had no business, everything dead. Me try to hold the piece of the wire, busting on me head, and they said there.
You could fight. What if Lady Saw come push you down now? What you gonna do?
Well, no. She just push me down and we'll just laugh and talk about it. Now push her down. She'll kick me with her heels on.
You think it's funny? What if she really see you and slap the life out of you?
Well,
with your little old self.
That's all right. Me couldn't have her, you know. And I saw you gonna know who a Jezebel from who a Gangali.
I'm gonna tell Cash not go in it. Cause you trouble the lady.
No, Cash not go with me go. Cash not go to places with me go.
No, I'm saying I'm gonna tell her don't fight for you.
Oh dear, you think me an idiot like you? Let them run down regular and kick down and back down.
How people gonna kick me down and box me down when you never let me fight in peace?
Me ever see a fight yet? I'm coming to a fight.
Exactly. Hold on.
You
Hold
never
that
fight
thought.
me, you never
Hold that
fight
thought.
you.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Jam, red gal, or whatever your name is, that big old woman is talking to her big old daughter, so mind your business. Why you over here?
People business, so.
Why you over here? Why are you
I saw
over
them
here?
love running a people business and get. I saw them staying. I know them love people business. So we don't send call them, you know. And them are coming up in with like with business, you know. We don't send call. No, I treat burn them to me talk about them OBEAH Dali.
Who is the OBEAH?
You know, you did that on the phone when she came.
Didn't I tell you don't get me mixed in y'all
well,
craziness?
Where come for life? Where come join life? All right. Since them I send me a liar. You were at who got the phone call to me for prove the OBEAH argument.
I'm at work. Do not get me involved.
No, you involved. Cause you come for life. Since them I send me a liar, I mean I tell lie. No, weren't you at? No, you got the phone call. Didn't you got the phone call to me when we have a Kings County with the 3 baby them?
Why are you getting me involved?
Answer the question. No, you answered. Who got the call?
Hook up the call with who? You and Lady Star?
Yeah, no, you didn't hook it up.
Lady Star gonna beat your butt for talking her business. Watch.
Yeah, go on. Are you our next one? You didn't hook up the call here.
I like Lady Star. I don't appreciate y'all jumping on her.
Nobody now jump on her. She jumped out with us. I will defend
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did. She do it undercover. But you no. She do it undercover. I don't know. But anyway, Mama, welcome back to dance hall. That's all me have to say to you. Yeah, what now?
What you mean, what now? She gonna beat one of y'all. I hope she beat ER.
Let me ask you something. That's why I come get me put on my bed to come for live with her this morning.
No, I wake you up to keep my company because this is my first time home since I feed a lizard.
You wait me to keep your company. All right. So the people them out of red land were this. Me say me old. I may look hype. I may want it. I may this. I may that. I may look attention. The question me ask you, weren't you the one who hooked up the car when we approved the Obama and mix up argument?
I don't know what mix-up argument y'all was talking about. I just hook up a call. I was too young to know.
You were too young to know. But then
I was too young to know what y'all was talking about.
Were we talking about OBEAH argument? Who got
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know now. You don't know.
I won't remember. I was too young.
So never hear any other conversation.
How old was I then?
Me not remember.
If you can't remember how old your own child was, how am I gonna remember what y'all was talking about?
But didn't you hook up the phone call?
Yeah, everybody knows that. Didn't I tell you not to get me involved in y'all drama? Why you like problems? Ladies are gonna kick you one day. I can't hear you. Somebody must have called you. I can't hear you. Somebody must have called you. I didn't hear what you said because your phone was on mute. What you said?
You are the one who hooked up the phone call that day, right?
Yeah. What happened?
How many times she called me before you hooked up
I can't remember that. I was too young. Come on. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that before I block all your site and you can't come back on no Instagram, no Facebook. Don't do that.
Oh, you're gonna block
Don't
them.
do that.
Oh, you're gonna block them.
I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna delete all your accounts. Don't do that.
Oh, you're gonna block them. Oh,
I would delete all your accounts.
You can't delete my account. You can't
so
delete
stop.
my account. And stop. The truth is the truth. You are the one who
don't get me involved. You told me, didn't you tell me it's dancehall business and I don't know nothing about dancehall, so I should leave you alone?
Yeah, but the question
so why are you trying to get me involved now?
It is dancehall business and everybody should still type. But the question
I don't speak dancehall.
The question I was asking, who got the phone call? Was it you?
How many times do you want me to say me? Don't ask me what y'all was talking about because I don't know. I was too young to remember. You can't even remember how old I was.
I don't remember.
That's what you should try to figure out.
Oh, you mean you were young? You never that young. Me have Jimmy and Kasha and Aisha. You did have church already.
No, I did not. No, I did not. No, I did not. What was it? Was it after that show that we went to?
Me I try remember.
The one that I took the picture with her?
No, the phone call coming way before that.
So then I won't remember. Was we living in Vanderveer at that time?
No, since we live over here, so.
No, it wasn't. No, it was in Vanderveer.
No, over here, so we live
It was in Vanderveer. It was in Vanderveer. It was in Vanderveer. It was in Vanderveer.
No, it's not.
Yes, it was. It was in Vanderveer. It was in Vanderveer. She called with 2 other people yelling in the background. It was in Vanderveer.
So you remember, so she called with 2 other people yelling in the background, and you don't remember the conversation.
Because I put the phone. I put the phone down. I put the phone down and mind my business. I put the phone down and mind my business. That's all I did.
Oh.
I put the phone down. Why would I want to stay on the phone with y'all listening to y'all conversation? That don't make sense. She's not calling into no morning show. She is banned officially. She's officially banned.
You can't
She caused too much problems. Don't say that, Maurice. You see, you got your nephew talking about I'm lying.
Maurice, she'll lie for you. Maurice, you tell her that girl a wicked and lie. Maurice, the woman called about 5 times till she had pick up the phone call. Knowing me know she'll listen. She hear every damn
I was not listening.
Cause even when me come out and when she take the minister hang up the phone, me and she even discussed the conversation. Me even said twice, me don't know why she say the woman tell her say me follow I go woman because when she go to the woman I never me and her go, she alone go. And this girl over here lie to she like woman. Just tell the people say like woman. I understand it because when me have you. You don't know.
Everybody know I like Lady Saw. Everybody know Lady Saw is my favorite. But I'm not going in y'all business because it has nothing to do with me. I really don't care what y'all got going on.
Yeah, but make it seem like me's a liar. No.
I never said you was a liar. I said don't get me involved. Because you told when I told you to behave yourself, you told me this is dancehall business and I don't know nothing to leave you alone because the war bust up in your head. That's what you said.
Yeah, I may understand all of that. But the truth is, you are the one that hook up the phone call and you hear the conversation.
I didn't hear the conversation. No, I can't hear. I don't know. That's too long ago. I have a 16-year-old. You think I'm going to remember what she said on the phone to y'all?
You say you was 16 at the time when she made the phone call?
I said I have a 16-year-old and I had to be younger than 16 because we was living in there.
I never Vanderveer really when it
was Vanderveer. I promise you it was Vanderveer because I answered the phone in your bedroom. It was in Vanderveer. I answered the phone in your bedroom. I remember that distinctly. But I just don't remember what I was talking about, to be honest.
Oh.
Because when I answered the phone, it wasn't she who came on the phone, I believe. It was somebody else came on the phone and said it was them and that person. I believe, if I'm remembering clearly. But I know 100% it was in Vanderveer.
How much time she called for me before you?
I can't remember that. What is wrong with you? Why are you trying to get me involved?
Right?
How much money you going to give me if I get involved?
Me not you. Me and my
I ain't getting involved.
Why not go say?
Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyla, scatter.